It was postponed to February 11, 2013, instead of the original schedule on September 27, 2012, pending the resolution of the Sangguniang Bayan on the inquiry made by BAC as to the reasonableness of the minimum bid price. In response, the Sangguniang Bayan issued Sangguniang Bayan Ordinance number 12-12-0044, dated December 14, 2012, amending Section 5.D.01 of the Revenue Code of 2008 of the Municipality of Bawan, empowering the SB to decrease rental rates of the municipality property consistent with prevailing rates in the locality when the net investment on condition that the net investment for the infrastructure to be constructed thereof exceeds 50 million. Now, eventually, COMNET was awarded a contract of lease at its bid price of 320 per square meter per year for a term of 25 years, renewable at the option of COMNET for another 25 years. With irrevocable option to purchase the lot at any time during the term
ng SB 19. Pambigay, no-order na naman. Yung parang ilaw siya, ay nakita mo. Yan. Ito na yung ginagawa.
relative to its
3D.
operations, management and development of the area for a period of 8 years. The contract of lease was approved by the Sangguniang Bayan. That's the background of the transaction. You want me to see? We just have a conversation as to share. Sorry, Congressman Makop. Mr. Chair, pursuant to our rules, no committee report, an excerpt or summary statement of the contents
Nagkukulay
thereof
kami
or
ng
any publication related thereto shall be
9.3.
released by any member of the committee and its secretariat prior to the inclusion of the report in the calendar of business. So move, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Representative Tamara.
Tapos na yung ano namin. Malikot tong client ko.
Nasa ba yung aking control? Nasa yung control natin?
Ewan ko sa ang likot niya. Yan, magkukulay kami. 9
Nag-ano pa ako? Nag-sweater pa ako ngayon.
Fully shot at the Sparkle Auditions and be part of GMX Singing Competitions this 2025. For more details, follow Sparkle Auditions official accounts. This is GMA, celebrating 75 years of heartfelt service and unwavering commitments as we
Magkagagawa sana ako ng gulay.
with the Filipino.
Toge. Nasira yung toge ko. Sabado ko gagawa. O kaya bukas. Kasi gusto ko makain ng toge. Lalagay ko lang sayote, kamote, carrot. Yun lang. Hindi nalalagyan namin. Yung nagluluto pa gano'n.
I got it with a finger comb. Para sa gandang finger comb hair. Palmolive Naturals. My 100% natural
Hindi ko nga pala magluluto.
Kaya yan na finger comb.
Oo, sabing gano'n. Yung dating ginagawa.
Yan.
Tugang ko. Bali ako din.
9.3. 9.3.